Hello everyone. Do you have a dear friend who is very active on Facebook? Someone who constantly posts and shares things, maybe even taking up a large portion of your homepage? Besides the mute option, there's another feature that allows you to temporarily pause posts from a friend or page for 30 days. Open Facebook. Now, you need to find such a post on your home page. Once you've found it, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Scroll down slightly until you see the Snooze for 30 days option. This temporarily stops posts from that profile for 30 days. Click on this option, and you won't see posts from that profile for a month. Enough time for a little break, right? I think this is a great feature. Let us know in the comments what you think. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.